Siyempre, malaking tulong sa amin yung panalo ngayon. Masaya kami at nakuha namin yung game ngayon ng 3 sets. Kasi last time, medyo hindi naman nag-relax sa third set, nakuha ng kalaban yung third set. Ngayon, naging lesson sa amin yung last game namin. So, sobrang thankful sa mga player din na nag-response dun sa third set. Yeah.
Thank you, Coach. So far, so many questions.
Coach, yung charity ko po parang through the years, sila yung pumipigil sa mga mahabang win streak nyo lagi. And 3 sets and 4 sets. So ngayon po siguro ano yung naging susi para malagpasan nyo na din yung charity ko na kumbaga may extra sila lagi kapag kayo yung malaban.
Nag-research ka. So, nag-research din ako eh. Tama ka dyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami for Charity Go. Yun nga, may mga history na ganyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami mabuti. Kasi syempre, hindi rin naman rookie yung yung Charity Go. Veteran team din sila. Talagang dapat talaga paghanda mabuti. So, yun.
We also have our best player of the game here, Bea De Leon. Bea, in this game against Cherry, you had 13 points. So, personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to help the team get this win?
Personally, I think gusto ko lang talaga mag-aim for consistency. So I wanted to come into this game with a really good mindset and really focused. So yun naman, syempre with the help of my teammates, all of us rin naman talaga wanted the same thing. Lalo na nung up 2 sets kami, we wanted to that extra push na ma-finish siya sa tatlo. So yun, yun lang naman and talagang with the help of my teammates, anything naman is possible.
Okay, same question with Coach. Charity Go stopped a lot of creamline win streaks in the past. So but they have that extra fire against you guys. So today na you got it done in straight sets. I guess what was something different or what's that extra push on your end to get the job done as quick as you did today?
Well, kanina actually ni-remind kami ni Coach Sherwin na from the past game up 2 sets kami. Tapos yun nga, nagkaroon pa kami ng lapses in the middle. So we were just reminded din na pagka ganun na yung advantage, syempre kailangan na namin ma-maximize yun.
Hello, Coach. Si Denise Zamboanga po yung first Filipina MMA fighter na may MMA world title. Nanood siya sa inyo kanina. And sabi niya, big Greenland fan daw siya. And pinapanood niya kayo since daw nag-e-start pa lang Greenland. So ano lang masasabi po?
Siyempre thankful kami kasi nare-recognize ng mabuti yung volleyball. May mga ganyan na nanonood. Yun, thankful kami. Sana mas madami pang manood.
Siguro same question din kay Bea. Gano'n lang ito ka-meaningful para sa inyo?
Sobra, kasi syempre alam naman natin na it wasn't always like this. It's talagang for athletes, even especially athletes of that stature na would know how it is. Sobrang thankful kami na nare-recognize rin kami in that sense. And ayun, talagang maganda lang talaga. Masaya nakikita na lumalaki pa rin yung sport.
For Coach and Bea, so far, ganda yung takbo ng campaign nyo. At 8-0, parang ano pakiramdam to be in this position na knowing na sobrang isa sa pinaka-successful na team na on the winning line at nasa position ka to very good position to get another possible championship. Ano pakiramdam mapunta sa 8-0 ngayon?
Siguro same lang nung every game na pakiramdam namin kasi hindi naman namin tinitake advantage na 8-0 ka. Basta kami, 1 game at a time lang kami. Yun lang yung iniisip namin. Pero syempre, masaya. Maganda yung naging resulta ng game. Pero sa tingin ko, mahaba pa yung pagdadaanan namin talaga kasi sobrang haba ng conference. Doon muna kami nakapokus sa every game na gagawin namin.
Same rin naman with Coach. Ako actually, relatively bago ako dito. So from the outside coming in, hangang-hanga ako sa mindset nila kasi kahit ganun nakataas yung naabot nila. Coming in, the work ethic is still so high. Ang taas ng disiplina, ang taas lagi ng level ng training, and yun, nakaka-motivate din yun on my part na makita, kasi kahit despite all the greatness that they've already done, it's still 100% all in, as if hindi pa sila nanalo. Hindi pa kami nanalo before. So, yun, talagang hanga-hanga rin ako with that part, and I think, like what Coach Sherwood said, mahaba pa. Of course, it's a nice place to be in now, pero mahaba pa yung season. Sobrang dami pa namin katrabahuin.
Yeah, you talk about the mindset and etiquette of Dreamline. I guess, saan nanggagaling yung pagiging grounded from a player's perspective sa araw-araw ng competitive na practice? Saan nanggagaling yung pagiging grounded ng mga players?
Sa bashing ni Coach Sherwood. Joke lang. Pero I think it's very innate eh. So, culture thing siya, especially with Adelay establishing it na we keep going, we keep learning. Kahit ano pang naabot natin, there's always room for more.
Or may 18 straight wins na kayo for Dreamline since